probably know what I'm talking about. I've been wanting a mirror in my room for a while now, to take pictures of my outfit of the days and whatnot. It says they only have 4 in stock, so I'm really hoping that when we get there, they still have them. We're going right at open. It's 10. That's not quite 10. It's almost 10.
Super early in the morning.
It's way too early for Cameron. He's not used to this. He's used to waking up at like 11. My mom let us borrow her car to take with us, because I just drive a small car and Cameron's car, it's a hatchback, but it wouldn't hold the mirror. So we're in my mom's giant SUV. So this is the mirror we're getting. This is like the famous IKEA mirror. So cute. My vlogs and like outfit of the days are gonna be really good. Love it. Oh, this is cute. This is what I like. I love these countertops. I love, yes, and I love the open cabinets like that. I think that's so cute. Aw. And this backsplash is adorable. I think I like this better just because it's bigger. Look at this island. Unexpected space. That's the bed that I have at my parents' house. That's your favorite bathtub. That's silly. Wow. Up just these little like mug coasters. You can see it's like that kind, and some clips for chip bags. That's all we got. Dotto time. All right guys, we are back from IKEA and this is the mirror. I am so happy with it. Ignore like all the clothes on my bed. I do have this clothing rack right next to it so I can easily try things on and everything. I got this at Target. I can leave a link down below for you guys. But I'm just very obsessed with this, and I love that when you come close enough, you can't see any of the edges. So that is where I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys liked it. The little walkthrough of IKEA and everything. I hope you guys like this video. I will post a new one. I am starting a schedule now every Friday for now. I might add in another day down the road, but for now I'm just going to do once a week because I'm starting school here soon and I don't want to overload myself. So every Friday there's going to be a new video, and then every Thursday there's going to be a new blog post on hollystreetblog.com. I will leave the link to that down below as well so that you can check that out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.